Hi everyone! Today we're making chicken Caesar wrap. Start with preparing any kind of chicken fillet. So you can use breast or thigh. Today I use thigh. So to season the chicken, put your salt and pepper. Make sure you get both sides of the chicken. Right after you season your chicken, prepare 1 or 2 eggs depending on how much chicken you have. After you prepare the eggs, also prepare a flour and cornstarch mixture. So this is what we're going to use to coat the chicken. So I know most of you have done this before. Just in case you haven't, again, dip your chicken into your egg and then dip it in flour. So this is how we will coat the chicken for our Caesar salad. After you've coated all of your chicken, now we can fry it. So make sure that your oil is very hot. So I've made this mistake before, that I put in my chicken before the oil was too hot, so it doesn't produce a really crispy chicken. So make sure your oil is hot so that our chicken is crispy. So once you feel your chicken is done in the other side, just turn it over, and what we're trying to achieve is a golden brown color in the chicken. Once the chicken is golden brown, you can remove it from the hot oil already. In a separate mixing bowl, put Parmesan cheese and dried parsley. So I like coating my chicken right after I fry it to add extra flavor into the fried chicken. Once you're happy with the amount of seasoning and the seasoning you've prepared, put in your chicken into the bowl and just season it. Once you're done seasoning your chicken, just set all of your seasoned chicken aside. Now we can start assembling our chicken Caesar wrap. Start by preparing a piece of wax paper, baking paper, or butcher's paper. Then start layering your lettuce. Once you're done putting in your lettuce, we can now add our chicken. At this point, you can now add your croutons. I recommend you use homemade croutons. So you just, start off with regular bread, cut it put butter, put it in the oven, and that's how you get your homemade croutons. It's much more softer for the wrap versus the store-bought one. And at this point, you can also choose to add cheese. But because I coated my chicken with Parmesan cheese, I opted not to put additional cheese. And from here, we try wrapping. So wrapping wasn't as easy as I thought it would be. So here I am trying to do different variations of wrapping. Finally, I was able to get how to wrap my wrap better. And once you wrap it, just cut it in half, and there you have it. It's a chicken Caesar to go. So you can eat it while, you're facing your computer. Finally, now we put in our Caesar dressing. You're not limited to using Caesar. You can use a different kind of salad dressing or opt not to, but tada! There you have it. This is my chicken Caesar wrap. Again, please like and subscribe. Thank you for watching.